Hey y'all, so it's a different day. We started on Monday, today's Wednesday. I took a break in between because decluttering takes a lot out of you. Like cleaning out my closet, packing all that stuff, deciding what I was going to get rid of, what I was going to keep, what was trash. It was draining. So I took a little break in between, but we're back in action. Let's get it popping, okay? We're at my desk, as you can see. Ignore my hamper in the back. We're at my desk, of course. They like my on-air sign. Shout out to my boyfriend's mom. She gave that to me. I love her. So we are gonna clean my vanity. It's not gonna really, it's vanity desk because I don't really do my makeup here because I don't do makeup, and that is the main thing I'm cleaning out today. I own so much makeup and it just gotta go. Like, it doesn't serve a purpose for me to keep all this makeup to myself. Like, what is the point of holding all this makeup if you're not gonna use it? So why not give it to people who I know will use it, or just donate it, or trash it if it's meant to be trash. Main thing I'm gonna be giving away is eyeshadows, because majority of the eyeshadows are still in really good condition and they're not that old. But any like liquid things like foundations or concealers, trying to think what else. Any kind of skincare products, primers that look like they're weird or have a weird texture from what they used to, they gotta go in the trash, okay? Like, I gotta show you how many drawers I have of all this crap. One drawer. Look at my Fenty. I haven't touched it in so long, but I'm not gonna get rid of it because I still use it now and again. Actually, I just used it on my birthday in January, so it's not that bad. All this stuff, I can't even pull the drawer all the way out because it's gonna fall out. Eyeshadow palettes for days. I have to get rid of a lot of these. And then this drawer is all my lip products, which I'm not giving away any lip products. More than likely I'm going to keep all of these because, well, some of them are going to trash because this MAC, old. All the MAC in here is old. All the MAC in here, all of it is old. NYX, old. All of that's going to go. But the Morphe, some of the NYX is new. But anything that looks like this, that nasty looking look, it gotta go. It got to go. These are new. They still got the wrapper. Okay, I always keep lip gloss on me. Always. But yeah, we're gonna just jump right into it and get into cleaning out these drawers. We're gonna start with the makeup one first because that is the most, and then we'll jump over to the skincare. I forgot to say, skincare products, trash. I will not be donating skincare products because, for one, it's old and expired, so it's probably gonna break whoever wears it out. Two, you don't use old and expired skincare. I recently just cleared out my skincare in my bathroom because I was like, this stuff is old and I don't use it. Oh, and my mini fridge full of stuff that I haven't used or touched that I brought. I will never. Another thing I'm probably not going to do anymore is buy like face washes from TJ Maxx, because I brought an aloe vera face wash and it irritated the heck out of my skin, and my skin is currently walling out. It may look good to y'all. I don't know. Let me see. It may look good to y'all. It's breaking out. It don't even matter. It don't even matter. Let's just get into it because now I'm just rambling. Okay? Enjoy the music. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, sis. Hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post. I know I say it like every video that I'm trying to be consistent, but I swear to you I am. I've already got 2 videos in the works, okay? This one and another one. And I got a content list. I know you're probably like, girl, show us the declutter. But I'm trying to show you I'm trying to be serious. So I was laying in bed the other day, and I may just let it focus on that. And this is my content list that I made that I'm trying to get done. I even got some stuff for Instagram on there. So I'm trying to be more consistent because I really love this. This is what I like. I love to do this. I love to video record. I love to edit. Like, I'm just talking. I love doing this, and this is what I really want to do. I don't want to work a 9 to 5. I really want to stay home and make YouTube videos for a living and collab with companies. So, like I said, I'm going to try to be more consistent. I'm not going to be like, oh, 1 week, 2 weeks videos and then stop. I'm going to try to keep it going. Post at least once a week. So, you guys will be seeing more of me. And like I said, let's get into the declutter because I'm rambling.
Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but and I know from the first time I seen your love, you got me, baby. Even though, girl, I know that I will fall for you, you got to know that everyone falls. Oops, I done fell so deep, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I want you for me, baby. Oops, I done fell so deep, 'cause everyone falls in love sometimes. I don't know about you, but it ain't a crime.
Okay, y'all, so giveaway, trash, and then all this is keep. Let me fix my lighting. Sorry. All this is keep, and then the stuff up here is keep. This little stuff up here is keep. So we are going to jump over to the skincare drawers, which is going to be easy to empty because everything in there needs to go. Okay, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to put the makeup I'm giving away in this bag, just so I have something to put it in. Because at the moment, I don't know what bag I'm going to put it in. I might even go through, I got like little carry-on bags and stuff like that, but I'm going to put all the makeup in this bag. And then we're going to jump over to skincare. And this is a lot of makeup, so I'm sure the person that I'm giving it away to is not going to take it all, but I'm sure the people that are there that I'm going to will look into it and be like, ooh, okay, I want some. So I'm just going to pack all this up. And this is not no cheap makeup either. Like Lorac, Tarte, freaking Benefit, ColourPop. This is probably a limited edition, okay? Sailor Moon. I ain't even gonna lie, I'm probably gonna keep this just because I don't know if it's gonna be worth money or not. And it's still in very good condition. Like, let me cover the freaking mirror so y'all can see. It's still in very good condition. So I might keep this because of that. I don't know if that's worth money. Okay? Like I was saying, there's Tarte in here. It's Bretman. I'm giving away my whole Bretman Rock collection. And not that I had a problem with it, but I'm not really big on like bright colors on my eyes all the time. I kind of like the browns and stuff. I have bright colors for like, I want to start taking pictures and doing my makeup and putting my makeup to match my outfits, like adding hints of the colors to match. So that's why I did that. But this is the giveaway bag. Okay. When we reach 1K, I'll be doing a giveaway and it'll be makeup, and I'll be going to Sephora and Ulta to get it. But until then, keep subscribing, y'all. Let's get into the skincare because the sun is going down and I want to keep as much natural light as possible. So we're going to roll it on this way.
I
So this is the bag of stuff that I'm throwing away. Skincare, old lipsticks. A lot of this stuff is old. It can't be donated to anybody. You don't give away old skincare. You can ruin somebody's skin like that. And you also don't give away skin lip products. So the trash, it goes. There's some glitters in here. I no longer like to wear glitter on my face like this. Not my thing. This was from Melania Green Goddess. It made my skin break out. I tried like 3-4 times. It never worked for me. I was upset though because it was the THC one, the cannabis sativa oil, but it just didn't work. So yeah, this bottle never got used. It's old. Its color has changed. Yes, this is rose water, but it shouldn't be yellow. And this stuff makes my skin break out too. So all of this stuff is just going. I got masks that are expired. So yeah. Okay, yo, hi, it's me, Future Renee, but really not Future Renee because I got the same shirt on. I accidentally deleted the last clip of this freaking video off my camera, and I don't know how to get it back. And it literally was me cleaning out all my skincare stuff. I got rid of a lot of skincare stuff, as you guys will see in the ending clip. It had to go. It was old. Some of it had made my skin break out. I just never got rid of it because I wanted to try it again, but I never ended up trying it again. But I feel so relieved that I got to empty out all this stuff that was cluttering my workspace. It was well needed. Like I said in the clothing part of this video, if you got things that are cluttering your space, get rid of it if you don't use it. If you haven't used it in 6 months to a year, get rid of it. And that's what I did. So if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post. Until next time, you already know what I'm going to say, so say it with me. We out. Peace.